Hi everyone, this is Justin from the Jenni AI team here with another quick tutorial video. Today we're going to be discussing citations, which we have covered in a previous video on how to add a citation from your library as well as from the text editor, but there's a few new cool features I'd like to showcase today. As you may know, you can actually upload sources to your library via PDFs, BibTeX files, or DOIs, but we're now introducing a new feature where you can just copy and paste a DOI straight into your written document, and with a click of a button, it will be added as a citation, which can now be added to your reference list as well at the bottom here. So this will just make creating citations a lot easier for you. And additionally, we've also now added multi-citations as well, where you can actually connect multiple research articles together to create a citation. So all you need to do is, if you already have an existing citation, you can just click Cite from your library and it'll just link together just like that. So that's how you use our new Smart Citation Paste as well as our multi-citations. Thanks for watching.